go back now to another company award, the TCT Materials Award 2025, celebrating those setting new standards with their groundbreaking material innovations. The highly commended product in this category is direct powder process for copper AM by Metal Powder Works, in partnership with Multiscale Additive Manufacturing Laboratory at the University of Waterloo. To help me present the award, please welcome to the stage, on behalf of our sponsor, Additive Manufacturing Solutions, Rob Hyam. The winner of the TCT Materials Award 2025 is lignin-based carbon and graphite by Carbon Forest Products, in partnership with Birmingham University.
So I'd just like to say thank you very much. You have no idea how much this means. Thank you.